Hey there, aspiring filmmakers and project management enthusiasts. Welcome to our quick tour of this awesome vault built on the PARA structure. Today, we're diving into film projects. But just so you know, this vault's got your back for generic and written projects too. Imagine managing a product launch, crafting the next bestseller, or in our case, bringing a short film to life. Ready to see how this vault can streamline your filmmaking process? Let's roll. All right, let's kick things off by creating a new project. See that little briefcase icon in the ribbon bar? That's our ticket to project creation. Let's click it and set up a film project. We'll call it Short Film Production. Sounds exciting, right? Watch this. After you type in your project name, you've got the power to customize the folders. Just pop into View, Edit Folder Structure. The default folders like detailed tasks, meetings, resources, and scenes are pretty handy, so we suggest keeping them around. But hey, if they're not vibing with your workflow, no worries. Instead of deleting them, you can just disable them by unchecking the boxes. Want to add a new folder for, say, special effects? Easy peasy. Just hit Add New Folder. Need to ditch a folder? There's a Remove Folder option for that too. It's all about making your project space work for you. Here's the best part. Whatever folder structure you set up now will be there for every new film project you create in the future. It's like setting up your perfect studio layout once and having it ready every time you start a new production. Once you've got your folders just the way you like them, hit Finish Project Setup and you're ready to roll. It's like customizing your director's chair before yelling action. Now, here's where it gets cool. Our new project just popped up on the home dashboard. Think of this as your command center for all your projects. It's got links to everything you need, keeps track of your tasks across all projects, and basically makes sure you're not drowning in to-do lists. Trust me, when you're juggling multiple projects, you'll love this feature. Let's zoom in on our short film production dashboard. This is your project's home base. Up top, you've got quick buttons to create tasks, scenes, and resources. And look here, a list of today's tasks. Now let me show you a neat trick with the Tasks plugin. It's a real time saver for production tasks. Let's create a quick task, maybe call catering for tomorrow's shoot. I'll set it for today and boom. It shows up right here in the dashboard and it'll be on the home dashboard too. No more forgetting what needs to be done on set. As we scroll down, you'll see all your project details neatly laid out. Tasks, scenes, meeting notes, resources, everything's in one place. Now, let's dive into the real heart of film project management, the Kanban board. Before we start, let's check if our Kanban board is empty. Yep, it's clear and ready for action. Now that we've confirmed that, let's move on to the next steps. But first, we need something to manage. Let's create a new scene from our dashboard. We'll call it Opening Scene. Every great film needs one, right? You'll notice that when you create a new scene, it automatically opens in a new side pane. This makes it easy to start working on it right away. Let's navigate to our Scenes folder and open up Opening Scene. See this Create New Scene Camera Shot Note button? Let's use it to add our first shot. When we do this, you'll see that all the scene's metadata is copied over to the shot. This is really handy because it helps you keep the scene in perspective as you work on individual shots. We'll call the camera shot note Wide Shot, Alley Entrance. Now pop open the Kanban board. Look at that. Our new shot is right there, ready for scheduling. Let's add a couple more shots. Character POV, close-up on mysterious package, and close-up on character. Great, now let's try out a cool feature. We're going to add the value close-up to the setting property of our close-up camera shot notes. This will let us test out the ability to filter notes in the Kanban board based on property values. And remember, you can filter notes based on the value of any property, not just setting. Now that we've set up our close-up property, let's put it to use. You can easily filter your shots using the Quick Add Filter Camera Shots feature. For example, to see all your close-ups, just set the filter for the close-up setting. Instantly, you'll have a new column showing only those shots. It's like having a dynamic, customizable shot list right at your fingertips. Need to share your shot list with the crew? No problem. Use Quick Add, export Kanban notes. Select your column and choose your preferred format. We'll export it to a PDF, but you've got options. You can also export to Docs, HTML, or even EPUB. This flexibility means you can tailor your exports to whatever format works best for your team or the situation at hand. Here's a powerful feature for managing the properties of shots. See that clapperboard icon next to each note on the Kanban board? Click on it, and you'll be able to edit all the metadata and property values of the shot notes. This means you can quickly update important details like camera angle, characters, number of takes, or any custom properties you've set up, all without leaving the Kanban board. It's an efficient way to keep your shot information up to date and accessible throughout your project. Last but not least, let's check out the Metadata Hub. This is where all the little details of your film come together. Open up the Hub note, and you'll see sections for characters, equipment, locations, all the building blocks of your film. Let's add a few characters: Alice, our lead, Bob, the antagonist, and John, the mysterious ally. Now watch this. Let's go back to our Kanban board and click on that clapperboard icon for our close-up on mysterious package shot. See how Alice, Bob, and John are right there in the drop-down? You can easily tag who's in each shot. No more wondering, wait, who was in this scene again? When you're in the editing room. This might seem like a small thing, but trust me, when you're knee-deep in production and need to quickly check who's in a shot or what equipment you need, you'll be glad you set this up. It's all about making your filmmaking process as smooth as possible. And cut! That's a wrap on our quick tour of this film project powerhouse. We've covered a lot, from setting up projects to managing scenes, shots, and all those crucial details that make a film come to life. But wait, there's more. Included in the vault is a detailed video walkthrough that dives even deeper into all these features. It's like having a personal tutor to guide you through every nook and cranny of this powerful tool. Got questions? Need some help? The contact info is in the video description. And hey, if this vault has made your filmmaker life easier, why not leave a review? There's a link for that too. Oh, and if you're more into generic project management, check out the description for some other great vault options. Want to stay in the loop about all our latest product launches? Hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. We're always cooking up new ways to make your creative life easier. Thanks for watching, and here's to your next big hit. Keep creating and let this vault handle the organizing. Happy filming!